Hey, Graphics Upfitters. As you know, law enforcement is buying up drones like they're candy. So the drones often are equipped with a thermal camera, allowing them to operate during the day, but more importantly at night when there's no lights around. Using that thermal camera, it will look down and detect the vehicles and the people below them. Problem is, they can't actually identify the people or vehicles. Well, IR.Tools has a win-win solution to help you and help your end users, and that is our extreme thermal film, which can be applied to the roof of the vehicles. So the benefit to your customer is the improved command and control. So with all their vehicles accurately identified, they're going to be able to look down and know exactly who they're looking at every minute. That's going to lead to better mission success. And in your case, you're going to be able to improve your revenue by selling a more technical, more tactical, improved product to your customers. It's going to be the same process. So it's going to be a film similar to your vinyl. Just get it in a roll. You're going to be able to cut that thermal film into a number or a letter or really any graphic shape that you would like. It's going to apply the same way. So same process, better effectiveness. It's going to make you the hero to your local law enforcement. You can learn more at our website, IR.Tools, or send me an email directly at tboyer@IR.Tools. Let's get you set up as a dealer. Let's make you the hero to your local law enforcement.